Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. Quick and easy guide. Replace your serpentine belt in just 15 minutes, step by step. Replacing a serpentine belt in your vehicle is vital for maintaining optimal engine performance. A worn-out belt can lead to breakdowns and costly repairs, making timely replacement crucial. In this video, we'll show you how to replace a serpentine belt in about 15 minutes, saving you time and money. Stay tuned to learn the easy steps to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Understanding the serpentine belt. In a vehicle's engine system, the serpentine belt plays a crucial role by driving multiple components that are essential for optimal performance. This long, winding belt is responsible for powering the alternator, water pump, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor, ensuring that these vital parts function smoothly. Signs of a worn-out serpentine belt. Squealing noises. One of the most common signs that your serpentine belt may need replacing is the presence of high-pitched squealing noises when the engine is running. Visible wear. Inspect the belt for signs of wear, such as cracks, fraying or glazing. Any visible damage indicates the need for immediate replacement. Accessories not working properly. If you're experiencing issues with components like the power steering, air conditioning or charging system, a worn-out serpentine belt could be the culprit. Tools and parts required. To replace a serpentine belt efficiently, you'll need a few essential tools and parts ready before starting the process. Socket wrench. A socket wrench is necessary for loosening and tightening bolts during the replacement. New serpentine belt. Ensure you have the correct replacement belt specific to your vehicle model to guarantee a proper fit and function. Belt routing diagram. Refer to the belt routing diagram for your particular vehicle model to correctly install the new serpentine belt and ensure all accessories are connected in the right sequence. Make sure you have these tools and parts on hand to facilitate a smooth and successful serpentine belt replacement process. Replacing the serpentine belt. Preparation and safety measures. Safety first. Before diving into the serpentine belt replacement, ensure your safety by disconnecting the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Remember to allow the engine to cool down to avoid burns. Additionally, don't forget to wear protective gear like gloves and safety glasses for a hassle-free experience. Locating the tensioner pulley. Finding the tensioner. The tensioner pulley is a crucial component in the engine bay responsible for maintaining the correct tension in the serpentine belt. Locate the tensioner by referring to your vehicle's manual or identifying a pulley that can move and apply pressure. Properly releasing tension from the tensioner is essential for a smooth belt replacement process. Removing the old belt. Say goodbye to the old belt. Carefully remove the worn-out serpentine belt by following these steps. First, identify the belt's routing path. Slowly release tension from the tensioner pulley and slide the belt off the pulleys. Take your time to ensure no other components are damaged during this process. Employ finesse over force to prevent unintended mishaps. Installing the new serpentine belt. Welcoming the new belt. When fitting the new serpentine belt, ensure it follows the correct routing path outlined in your vehicle's manual. Start by placing the belt on the crankshaft pulley and methodically loop it around all the necessary pulleys. Check that the belt is correctly seated on each pulley to avoid any slippage or misalignment issues. Remember, precision is key for a successful belt installation. In approximately 15 minutes, you can seamlessly replace your serpentine belt by following these steps with caution and focus. Remember, safety first, precision second, and you'll have your vehicle running smoothly in no time. Testing and final checks. After installing a new serpentine belt in record time, it's crucial to ensure that everything is functioning as it should. Proper testing and final checks are essential to guarantee the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Let's go over the necessary steps to verify the belt's operation seamlessly. Starting the engine and inspection. To begin, start the engine and carefully observe the movement and alignment of the new serpentine belt. Check for any unusual noises or vibrations that could indicate misalignment or tension issues. Listen closely for any squealing or grinding sounds, as these could signify a problem with the belt or pulleys. A smooth and steady movement of the belt is a good sign that the installation was successful. Post-installation tips to ensure the longevity of your new Serpentine belt. It's essential to follow some post-installation maintenance tips. Regularly inspect the belt for any signs of wear, such as cracks, fraying or glazing. These can indicate that the belt is under stress and may need to be replaced soon. Additionally, listen for any abnormal sounds while driving, as they could signal belt issues. By conducting routine visual inspections and staying attuned to any unusual noises, you can proactively address serpentine belt issues before they escalate. Remember, a well-maintained serpentine belt is crucial for the smooth operation of your vehicle's engine and accessories. Regular checks and timely replacements of your serpentine belt are crucial for proper vehicle maintenance. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can easily replace your serpentine belt in about 15 minutes, saving you time and money in the long run. Don't overlook this important component of your vehicle's engine system. Stay proactive in your maintenance routine to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Remember, a well-maintained serpentine belt is key to the overall health and performance of your vehicle. As we conclude our tutorial, you now have the knowledge and skills to replace your serpentine belt in just 15 minutes. Remember to exercise caution and refer back to this video as needed during the replacement process. With a little time and effort, you can maintain your vehicle's functionality and enjoy peace of mind on the road. Thank you for watching and happy DIYing. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.